Kenya dhiango odiochieng'no midendo ni Mashujaa Day mano bende iyangi thundi mano kedone piny Kenya. Kwali owachne ni ikruok mar hingo nyasi no mar Mashujaa Day oserumo e kaunti ma Kisii ka koro oganda mokalo 10,000 igeno ni biro yuoro e nyasi makiny. Okinyi ma kawuono obila mawuok e bad migepe mopogore opogore chopo e alap mag Kisii ka gitimo ikruok mar dhialo Mashujaa Day. Gavana ma Kisii Simbarati kaachiel gi kamishna ma kaunti no igeno ni biro telo e romono makiny. Mashujaa Day en chieng' ma Kenya dhialo thuondi ma pacho ka to mano kedo ne loch mar piny Kenya e kind mamoko. Nyasi mar Mashujaa Day biro tim e counties kuom thuolo mokwongo odiochieng' makiny tok kane ochung gi nikech landruok mar midhusi mar COVID-19.
Engaged in an exercise of arranging or rather preparing for the same, which shall be marked at Kisii Stadium on the 20th of this month, tomorrow. We want to inform the members of the public, especially within Kisii County, that we are very ready to hold the Mashujaa Day celebrations. This is the first celebration that will be attended by the new governor for Kisii County, and also the county commissioner will be present to read the speech of the president. And so we urge members of the public to come and participate in the celebrations. We'll have entertainment for them. We have invited various groups, both from the churches, schools, and private practitioners within the entertainment industry who will be able to showcase their talent. We have also invited heroes and heroines because this is their day.
And we are welcoming you all the people from the wards. We have done arrangement. The ward administrators will be transporting people from the wards. And we have also invited the Mashujaa, those people who were selected, Mashujaa last time, you remember, the National Mashujaa Day was done here in Kisii Stadium.